Factor the polynomial completely. 2ax minus 2bx plus ay minus by. Now we can first look for a greatest common factor, but as we look at these terms, there is not a single value that's common to all of them. So let's try something else. Because there are 4 terms, I'm going to think factoring by grouping. So let's visually just consider the first 2 terms and look for a greatest common factor, which is 2x. So factoring 2x away from the first 2 terms, this becomes 2x times a to give our first term, and 2x times a minus b will give the second term. Now if we visually look at our last 2 terms and find a greatest common factor, which is y, let's factor that out of those terms. So this becomes a plus y times a to give this ay term, and minus b to give our minus by term. Now we've met our goal at the second step of factoring by grouping in so much that we've got a common factor of a minus b in both of our large terms here. And now we can pull that common factor out into the front. So to complete the factorization, this becomes a minus b times 2x plus y. Therefore, our completely factored form is a minus b times 2x plus y.